Pero tignan mo naman, I have assembled brilliant men. Sige yan sila aral gabi, studying until morning time. Kami, sige, inom. Pero saan sila ngayon? O di trabahante ko. Oh. So, we need a radical change. We need a radical change in government. We did not go into a revolutionary government. I do not want it. Only when everything is turning upside down, maybe. Yung talagang the ship of state, hindi nakikinig ang mga gago eh. Pinuputol nila. Sabi ko, only when the ship of state is about to